In this video, we will walk you through the process of safely and effectively removing water flange from your Nissan Qashqai car. First of all, we have to remove engine mount. The process of removing an engine mount may require pushing up the jack slightly to get the mount out. Engine mount removal involves opening the screws that secure the mount to the engine and the vehicle's frame. Learn how to safely remove the mount and replace it if needed. We have safely removed the engine mount, ensuring the safety of the vehicle and those working on it. Now we have to remove dynamo first. For the removal of water flange, be following these step-by-step instructions. Now we have to hold the engine in place. By fixing the screws of the engine mount, this simple step can help ensure the engine stays secure. Learn about the process of removing the water flange from a Nissan Qashqai and the steps involved in getting it done successfully. To stay updated on our latest content, like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.